Alright Hemi owners, let's talk. The multi-displacement system, or MDS, is one of the most debated features on these engines, and if you've been online, you've probably seen NHTSA Bulletin 102444356 causing a stir, making people worry their engine is a ticking time bomb. Before we dissect that bulletin, let's cover what MDS does. To save fuel during light load cruising, the engine's computer uses solenoids to send oil to special lifters. These lifters have an internal pin that retracts, causing the lifter to collapse. This stops the pushrod, keeps the valve closed, and deactivates the cylinder. It's a system that turns your V8 into a temporary V4 for efficiency. Okay, so back to that bulletin. Officially, it's communication number 9100229 from September 2023. It's a public document intended for dealership technicians. If you drive any Hemi-powered vehicle from 2009 to 2023, we're talking Ram trucks, Chargers, Challengers, Grand Cherokees, or Chrysler 300S with the 5.7L Hemi and its MDS system, this information is for you. Now here is the absolute key takeaway. This bulletin is not a recall. It's a technical service bulletin, or TSB, telling technicians one thing. Do not replace MDS lifters just because the small disconnecting pinholes look misaligned. Why? Because that visual misalignment can be a perfectly normal state for the lifter, depending on whether it was active or inactive when the engine was shut down. It is not by itself an indicator of a defect. This bulletin is designed to prevent misdiagnosis. However, it does not mean that MDS lifter failures don't happen. They absolutely do. A real failure is unmistakable. You'll hear the infamous Hemi tick, a loud metallic tapping that gets faster with engine RPM. You'll experience rough running, a loss of power, and almost certainly a check engine light with misfire codes like a P0300 or a specific cylinder code. So what causes these real failures? The most common culprit is the needle bearings in the lifter's roller. When they seize, the roller stops spinning and gets dragged across the camshaft lobe, destroying both parts. This is often linked to oiling issues. Theories point to extended idling, using the wrong oil viscosity, or stretching oil change intervals. The constant cycling of the MDS system over thousands of miles can also contribute to component fatigue. This reality has created a huge online community of owners seeking peace of mind. You'll see debates about preventative measures like switching from the factory 5W20 oil to a thicker 5W30. Others disable the MDS system entirely using a plug-in device or a tuner. For those who have already suffered a failure, a full MDS delete is a popular option, replacing all MDS-specific components. But remember, these owner-led solutions aren't part of this official communication. So let's bring it all together. If you see this bulletin number online in relation to your 2009 to 2023 Hemi, do not panic. It doesn't mean your engine is faulty or that a failure is imminent. It's actually a positive step from the manufacturer to ensure accurate diagnosis. The myth is that this bulletin confirms a universal defect. The reality is that it's simply clarifying a point of confusion for technicians to prevent replacing perfectly good parts. It's myth-busting for owners and techs alike. Did this deeper dive clear things up for your Hemi? We want to hear from you. Drop a comment below with your experience. Have you dealt with the Hemi tick? Did you disable your MDS or switch your oil? If you learned something valuable, hit that like button and be sure to subscribe for more in-depth automotive myth-busting.